Have you ever looked at a chat on Telegram and thought, man, I really need to save all of this, but you had no idea where to start? Maybe you're switching phones, clearing out old memories, or you just want a hard copy of a really important work project. Whatever the reason, manually screenshotting conversation after conversation is a nightmare. It takes forever, and honestly, nobody has time for that. Well, the good news is Telegram actually has a built-in feature that lets you download your entire chat history. Texts, photos, voice notes, the whole deal, straight to your computer in just a couple of minutes. Let me show you how to do it. First things first, you're gonna need the Telegram desktop app for your PC or Mac. This feature isn't available on the mobile app just yet, so fire up your computer and log in. Once you're in, follow these quick steps. Head over to the top left corner and click on the 3 horizontal lines to open the main menu. Click on Settings, then scroll down and select Advanced. Right near the bottom of that list, you'll see an option that says Export Telegram Data. Click that. Now, a window is going to pop up with a bunch of checkboxes. This is where you get to customize what you actually want to save. Do you want your personal chats, group chats, bots, just text, or do you want to include photos, videos, and those giant voice notes you sent last year? Check or uncheck whatever you need. Keep in mind, if you select everything, including high-res media, the file size can get pretty huge, and it might take a minute or two longer to process. Once you've got your settings locked in, just scroll down to the bottom and hit Export. Depending on how much history you have, Telegram might ask you to approve the export request on your mobile device for security purposes. Just a quick tap to say, yeah, that's really me. Once it finishes processing, click Show in Folder, and you'll see a nice, neat folder waiting for you. Inside, there's a file called export_results.html. Just double-click that, and it opens right up in your web browser, looking just like a clean, scrollable web page of your entire chat history. It is seriously that simple. No sketchy third-party apps, no lost memories. Give it a try, and let me know if you run into any snags. Catch you in the next one.